Hey everyone, welcome back to the Seek and Find Lenten Reflections. Today is day 8, overwhelming pressure. If you're feeling overwhelmed right now, whether it's school, sports, friendships, relationships, or just life in general, I want you to hear this. God sees you. In the book of Psalms, chapter 61, verse 2, we pray, "From the ends of the earth I call to you when my heart is faint. Lead me to the rock that is higher than I." Lent isn't about piling on more pressure. It's about making space for God's peace. Instead of carrying everything on your own, pause, breathe, pray. Let God be your strength. You are not alone. He's right there with you. Thanks, everybody. See you tomorrow.